Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your team name on FPL. So you'll need a web browser for that. So go to premierleague.com or fantasy.premierleague.com, log into your specific account and select the pick team option from the left-hand side between the home and transfers. Go ahead and select it. Now you need to scroll all the way down and there you'll see the section of admin. Then select a team details option. And here under my details, you'll get the team name in the top of the screen. Simply remove the previous name that has been set and enter a new one. Then after, go ahead and click on update details and you'll be done. And if you just go back, the team name should now be changed as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.